Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today we're taking a closer look at RedAwning.com. RedAwning offers a comprehensive platform for vacation rental management, connecting property owners with potential guests. They handle everything from listing creation and marketing to booking management and guest communication. One of the standout features of RedAwning is their extensive distribution network. They partner with major online travel agencies like Booking.com, Expedia, and Vrbo, ensuring your property reaches a broad audience. This wide reach can significantly increase your booking potential and maximize your occupancy rates. RedAwning also provides a range of tools and services designed to streamline the management process. Their integrated platform allows you to manage all aspects of your rentals, from pricing and availability to guest inquiries and reviews, all in one central location. This centralized approach can save you considerable time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Additionally, RedAwning offers professional photography and virtual tours to enhance your listings and attract more guests. High-quality visuals are crucial in today's competitive vacation rental market, and RedAwning's professional services can help your property stand out from the crowd. They also provide 24/7 guest support, handling inquiries, and resolving issues promptly to ensure a positive guest experience. This around-the-clock support not only benefits your guests, but also frees up your time to focus on other tasks. For property owners seeking a hassle-free and efficient way to manage their vacation rentals, RedAwning presents a compelling solution. Their comprehensive platform, extensive distribution network, and dedicated support team can help you maximize your bookings and revenue while minimizing the time and effort required to manage your properties effectively. They also offer dynamic pricing tools to help optimize your rates based on market demand, ensuring you're always charging competitive yet profitable prices. If you're interested in exploring RedAwning further, be sure to check out the link in the description. Remember, this is just my experience, so do your own research to see if RedAwning is the right fit for your specific needs.